Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video, I'm going to show you a delicious, easy snack. But before I get into that, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, which simply means turning on notifications. So anytime I upload a video, you'll be first to know. Make sure you comment below, say hi, and let me know of any other nutrition topics you want to know about. So let's get right into it. We are going to be making banana bites. That is what my oldest one calls it, and he absolutely loves them, thinks they are a special treat, which they are. So it's really easy. All you need are bananas. We're going to use 2 bananas, so you want them to be pretty ripe. So bananas that you would make banana bread with. And we're going to mash them in a bowl, which I have here all ready for you. Really easy, using a fork. Then we're going to add half a cup of peanut butter. You can use chunky peanut butter. I love creamy peanut butter, so that's what I am using here. If you guys can find natural peanut butter, that is fantastic. Unsalted peanut butter and natural, even better. We're going to use 1.5 cups of quick oats. So that was 1 cup. I'm going to add another half a cup. And that's going to help bind all those delicious ingredients together. We're using 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed. That is a great source of omega-3s. You want them to be ground, otherwise they go in and out the same way and you don't absorb any of the nutrients. So ground flaxseed or flaxseed meal. We have half a cup of chocolate chips and 3/4 cup of unsweetened coconut. You can use sweetened coconut if you want, but again, this recipe in my opinion is so delicious and sweet because of all the banana in there. I'm just going to mix it all together. A lot of times I use my hand for this, just so you can combine all the ingredients, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Bananas, great source of potassium. There's some fiber in there too. So bananas, complex carbohydrates, a great source of energy pre-workout or post-workout. Guys, this could be an on-the-go breakfast for you as well. It could be a dessert for you, a snack. Again, you saw the ingredients that we used. They're all good for you, so you should not feel guilty about eating it, ever. The oatmeal, great source of iron and fiber. Again, another complex carbohydrate, so just a great source of energy. Coconut is fat. Peanut butter, fat and heart healthy. And the chocolate chips, I mean, everything's fantastic with chocolate chips. So I'm just going to show you the consistency here. And you would put this in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes just so it congeals a little bit. I'm not going to do that for you. I'll save you 15, 20 minutes. And you simply just roll them into balls like that. Okay? So these are going to last in your refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. If they don't get eaten in that time, you can freeze them for about 2 weeks as well. Just simply put them in an airtight container, and yeah, that's about it. It's going to make about 12 to 15 protein bites. And thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.